Black Friday's coming up, the holiday shopping season is here, and I thought I might show you some deals that I found online. I'm gonna hit a few of my favorite websites for shopping for car and home audio products. The very first place I want to start is at the Down for Sound shop. The reason why is because they've got some really cool stuff going on right now. The main thing is they've got all their Sundown audio on sale. So if you're interested in any Sundown audio product, you want to hit that link down in the description and head over there and check out what they've got. A few highlights. Every subwoofer appears to be on sale. Every amplifier appears to be on sale. And to kind of make things even nicer, the Down for Sound ProFab enclosures that are bundled with Sundown audio subwoofers are also on sale. In fact, I've been eyeballing the ProFab boxes. I can get one with a Sundown audio subwoofer in. I went ahead and pulled the trigger on one. Hopefully it'll be here before the Black Friday sale ends so that I can post a video and give you my impression of the ProFab box with that Sundown audio subwoofer. Now there are other brands on sale at the Down for Sound website. If you'll hit that link down in the description, it'll take you right to the Down for Sound website. When you hit the website, anything with one of these green tags on it is on sale for Black Friday. Cerwin-Vega has some deals. It doesn't look like any of their subwoofers, but they got some super tweeters, some amplifiers that are being discounted at the moment. Crescendo Audio. So if you're a bass head and you want a big system, you know Crescendo is a good one to look at. So if you hit the Crescendo Audio, they've got some of their big amplifiers discounted. So if you're a competitor and you're gearing up for the next year's competition season and you're trying to pick out your amps, they've got them. The Sundown Salts are also on sale, so if you need a big Sundown amplifier, you can also hit those on the Down for Sound website. And of course, they've got everything you need if you're going to build a high SPL system. They got the SMD tuning tools there, so if you want those so you can get your system tuned perfect. And don't forget the JP series of amps are also available on their website. I've got me a JP8 here. Looking forward to the chance to review it. My plan is to hook the big JP8 up to that preloaded enclosure I've got ordered and just see how much power that Sundown can take. I'm told it can take all the power that I can throw at it with this thing. So that's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and move on to one of the next places you can find cool gear. One of my favorite spots to shop for not necessarily car audio stuff, but also home audio stuff, and that is Parts Express. So Parts Express likes to do these things they call 24-hour flash sales. So these are basically rolling sales that are good for a day, and I'm not certain if their Black Friday and Thanksgiving sales are going to be good between now and Black Friday or Cyber Monday, but expect lots of rolling flash sales. One thing that I like from Parts Express are these little Bluetooth home audio amplifiers. This is a stereo amplifier with a subwoofer output. The newer version is a little more expensive than the old version that I've got, but it has an adjustable crossover frequency. The main thing about this thing you want to keep in mind, if you look here on the back, the speaker connections are really close together. So you're going to want to get you some banana plugs if you get one of these, because trying to get the speaker wire in there, it's a pain in the rear. Speaking of speaker wire, they got their speaker wire on sale. It has this red line on one of the speaker leads so that you know which end's positive. Now, Parts Express also is running a deal right now on their plate amplifiers, and so if you wanted to build a home subwoofer, these are what you want to use. I know that a large chunk of my audience is mostly into car audio, and you've never thought about building a home theater subwoofer. Well, if you can build a car audio subwoofer, you can build a home theater subwoofer. The design principles are basically the same. You just want to tune it lower. Get you one of these plate amplifiers, and if you need even more power, go for a PA amplifier. They've got a Dayton Audio PA amplifier with digital signal processing that can pump out like 1100 watts into a 4 ohm load. That thing should be an absolute beast on, say, a big subwoofer. Speaking of big subwoofers, they've got their 15-inch high excursion reference subwoofer on sale at the moment. This thing is an absolute beast with a triple stacked magnet. You'll need one of the bigger amplifiers to run that sucker. It is a complete monster. If you really want to splurge this holiday season, you want to put this on your Christmas list. This is the Tangband W8 full range driver. This thing's got a wizard cone and a phase plug. It's designed to be a legit full range driver. This is a very efficient driver. It doesn't take or need a lot of power. A lot of people will hook this up to a tube amp to get that ultimate sound quality of a tube amp. I see these go into a lot of transmission line speakers. A pair of these in transmission line enclosures with a tube amp would be absolutely amazing. If you do shop at Parts Express, make sure that you hit my blog. I keep some coupons on my blog, $10 off 100, 15 off 150, that kind of thing. Parts Express always has these coupons out there and available, and I just keep them up on my blog. Another good spot to go looking for good car audio deals is Electronix. I was digging around their website just this morning, and I found some really cool stuff. I'll tell you about that in just a second, but first I want to point out some cool deals. First of all, any Electronix house brand, the NVX, for example, is on sale. I've used NVX amplifiers. I've heard that a lot of people have enjoyed their subwoofers and like their mid-range speakers. And if you've been eyeballing any NVX products or any of Sonic's house brands like the Belva subwoofer that I reviewed a couple of weeks ago, they're 15% off pretty much any house brand at Sonic Electronics. And so if you are looking for a deal on those, this is the time to hit them up, because how often do you get just 15% off? Also, you know, I'm a big fan of Kicker. I love my Kicker Comp R subwoofer, and right now all the Kicker stuff, at least the subwoofers, appear to be on sale. I paid about 180 bucks full price for my Comp R, and now they're under 150. And now there's probably the coolest thing I've seen so far when I've been digging around for Black Friday deals. Sonic Electronics has these mystery bags for sale on their website. And what you'll do if you look at those mystery bags, if you'll scroll down and read the description, they drop little hints as to what the mystery bag is. Like right here, this appears to be a JBL subwoofer. So if you dig around a little bit on their website, you can find a JBL subwoofer with similar specs. Here we've got a pair of 3.5-inch mid-ranges, and again, there's a little hint. And so if you just take that hint and do a little bit of digging, it looks like this is 50 bucks off a pair of Infinity mid-range drivers. And that's a pretty good deal. And here is one that I like a lot. This is an amplifier that's 750 watts at 1 ohm. It seems to be a prime example of a good deal on an amplifier. It looks like it might be a Rockford Fosgate Prime Series. I'm a big fan of the Prime Series amplifiers. I've used them in the past. The new generation has a clip light, and that's really cool. I wish all amplifiers would come with a clip light. What about Amazon? Well, I've been looking for deals on Amazon. I haven't found anything that excited me enough to bother telling you about. I'll take another look in a couple of days, and if I see something that's car audio related, I'll make a video just talking about deals on Amazon. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. I'm the DIY audio guy, and I'll see you in the next adventure.